guys, animals. Farm wild mix animals. Wow, guys, my collecting red basket. So, guys, let's go. First, cow. Wow, guys, black white combination, big size, very nice cow. Wow. So, next, guys, sheep. Wow, very nice. Look, guys, sheep. Beautiful sheep. Sheep and guys, tiger. Wow, very nice. Look, guys, tiger. Beautiful tiger. And guys, dog. Wow, very nice. Look, guys, dog. Beautiful dog. And guys, buffalo. Wow, look, is beautiful, guys, buffalo. Very nice buffalo. And guys, next, deer. Wow, look, is beautiful, guys, red deer. Very nice red deer. And guys, horse, black horse. Very nice. Look, guys, horse, beautiful horse. And guys, cow. Wow, guys, black white combination, beautiful look cow. Very nice cow. And guys, lion. Very nice yellow black combination, beautiful look, guys, lion. And guys, black horse. Very nice, guys, black horse. Wow. So guys, donkey. Two donkeys. Very nice, guys, donkey. Beautiful figure. High quality, big size and little size donkey. Wow. And dog. Wow, guys, look, is beautiful dog. Very nice dog. And rhinoceros. Very nice look, guys, rhinoceros. And guys, elephant. Wow, very nice elephant. Wow, guys, beautiful animals. So guys, this video like and subscribe my YouTube channel.